Hello everyone, I'm here with Güray today and I'm Attila the Nomad. We got decided we're gonna climb top on the mountain and make Turkish Simit together. As you see, there is bad weather, but it doesn't matter. When we get decided, when we wanna do something, then we will do. We believe ourselves. I know I'm too bad at with motivation speech. Let's go guys, see you soon top on the mountain. Guys, I don't want to be regret, but I think these backpacks are maybe 13 kilogram and I got a lot of route, maybe 5 kilometers. I assume we handle this situation because maybe I just walked 100 meters, but check this out, my breath, bro. I don't know what to say. My shoulders are too heavy right now. Whew. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my way. Check this out. We will climb this mountain, but it's not a real mountain. In this mountain behind, there is another mountain. Look at these flowers. I like this country, bro. He's my young brother, Güray, and like I said, I love this country, bro. There's some clouds. We almost arrived clouds. And beginning of the adventure, we made some mistake. Like when I make plan about this adventure, I think we can pass this way, but there's some wall and we have to walk another 100 meters, like here, guys. Bro, maybe we got 5-minute walk, but I'm exhausted. What? It's 2,000 plus meters. That's why there's no oxygen. It's too hard to take breath in this place. But bro, check this out, this view. Woo! I'm past the snow keeper. See you soon. When I check out these recent videos, my sounds explode. Oh, check this out, this view. I think there is 100% necessary to do this adventure. Guys, we are too near the clouds anymore. Maybe it's the last 200 meters to arrive clouds. You almost catch the clouds. Maybe 50 meters. Maybe last 50 meters to clouds. Check this out. And here, my young brother, Güray. Ooh. When we arrive here, we will take 15-minute rest because we're exhausted. Last couple meters to take rest. There is nowhere to see. Check this out. This young man, he got the power, he got the endurance, he got some rest. Check this out, guys. Check this out, this view. I have to be grateful to born in this country. We almost top on the mountain right now and I'm too grateful again, bro. Check this out. There's a fresh air. Maybe I know there's some oxygen problem, but it's what it is, bro. I'm too happy to be here and I'm enjoying my life, guys. I don't know what to say. Let's go. Bro, what's that? What kind of plant is this? What's up, guys? We took 15-minute rest and this made me feel better. Check this out, my breath in, breath out. And we still in the clouds. I'm gonna make Turkish traditional drink. I don't know this name in English, but in Turkey we say ahududu pekmezi, and I'm gonna make a sherbet. Bro, this drink gonna make our energy full. This time we need, because we exhausted. Check this out, this color, by the way. If there is something better more than this color, I can say 100% it's taste. What's up, guys? I wanted to say hello in 2,700 elevation. We are in the clouds. Whew. What's up, guys? Finally we arrived at the top. I'm gonna show you my view. Check this out, bro. I hope you can hear me clearly because there's some wind. Bro, check this out. Great, huh? And it's time to make a Turkish simit with this. I made some setup. Okay, guys, let's go. What's up, guys? I think some people gonna mad at me because I use this item, but I'm top on the mountain. There is no oxygen. That's why I have to make this very easily. I already too exhausted. That's why I want to make this fire quickly. I find some dead plants to make a fire quickly. I watch some Ed Stafford. That's why I know some make a fire techniques. And look at this, guys. Look at this valley. Look at this beauty, bro. I don't know what to say. It's crazy. And beginning of our adventure, we made some mistake. Like, these roots are not dry, by the way, bro. It's crazy. Okay, guys, there is a lot of immature things. My phone battery almost died. I don't know what to say. Just enjoy the beauty. Enjoy this valley. Check out the mountains. And Attila, the nomad, gonna make you Turkish simit. Like I said, my phone battery almost died. That's why I have to be fast. And I want to do this correct way because I want to enjoy my life. Woo! Okay, guys, this side is open anymore. And check this out, this view, guys. I don't know what to say. Just check out, bro. And I got some panic a couple minutes ago because our oven get collapsed, bro. And recent time I climbed this mountain, but this time there is no my motorcycle. That's why I too exhausted, and I'm gonna show you my oil and Turkish simit. There is some problem, but anyway, it's what it is. We already eat something, and also we cook another simit. Maybe it's gonna be perfect. Let's check this out, guys. What's up, guys? I don't know what to say. I can say I'm exhausted. I eat everything, every vegetable, and I ate some simit, but I can say this time we failed, but we got some experience. Doesn't matter, bro. And we will see in the other adventure, guys. See you soon.